So hey guys, it's the GM Twins and we're back at it again. As usual, the kitchen is open for more fun. So let the fun begin, and today's recipe is so special to me because you just need 3 ingredients and it's still super soft, delicious and yummy. So don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Stay tuned. So just 3 ingredients is needed for this. As I said before, let the countdown begin. So 1, flour, 2, butter, and 3, the sugar. Just that, just 3, but there's still a lot to learn to bring it together. So stay tuned. So the first step, as I usually say, is to wash your hands. This is very important for a good beginning. Yeah. So there's something new in the kitchen. Like there's a lot of new stuff. So, but this bowl, I love it because it's so cute and exquisite. It has that touch. So we're gonna walk together for a long time, I can tell you that. So the second step is to pour out 2.5 cups of flour in a bowl, then sieve it. Y'all should know the benefit of this because it makes the flour come out smoother, and yeah, that cup is new as well. So a lot of new things, so today's recipe will come out yummy. So throw that out. The third step is to add 1 cup of butter in a separate bowl. Yeah, 1 cup of butter. So this bowl is new as well, and I love it. So add half cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar. The taste is still the same. So mix that together thoroughly. There we go. So the next step is to pour the white mixture into the flour mixture, and this is where the fun begins because like everything is like coming together. So you pour that out. So I advise you to mix with a long spoon for a long time before kneading with your hands because it's kind of a very soft. And I told you it's super soft, so it comes out like sticky. So you mix it with a spoon for a long time, just like that. So later knead with your hands. Yeah, I told you to come out sticky, so dump it on a clean flat surface sprinkled with flour. So then you start sprinkling flour on the dough until it's firm and comes together and soft. So you can see me sprinkling the flour on the surface. So you can also use a board, yeah, a cotton board for that as well. So you can see the flour. You can see me harden the flour on the dough for it to come together to prevent the stickiness. So add it till you're satisfied. So the next step is to flatten the dough with your hands on a flat surface or chopping board sprinkled with flour. So shape the dough into a square-like shape with either a spatula or a knife. You can see me flattening it. So you can see me using the knife to form a square-like shape. And if you can't do this with your hands, you could use a rolling pin at first to make it smooth, yeah, to get the flat surface before shaping it with your beautiful hands. And now the next step is to cut into the desired sizes. And actually shortbread cookie has that one size, yeah, that one way we do it, so you're gonna just watch it. It's so simple to form that shape. There we go, cut into it. Make your hand straight. So if you're loving it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the next step, use a fork to create tiny holes. This is done to all shortbread cookie. So just dip the fork in just like that. So pretty. I just love this recipe, and I'm sure you would love it as well. Yeah. I can't wait till it's done. Yeah. So we have it. And this is how it looks like before you place it in the oven. It looks sweet already. Yeah. So the next step is to place gently on the baking tray. So this is to prevent breakage because it's kinds of breaks easily. So be careful when placing it. Do not let it break. And after this, you can sprinkle with sugar for a better texture. It's your choice, that's all they say. So I'm placing it gently on the baking tray. Yay! Just like that. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day, guys.